Hey, guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're going to make the ultimate chocolate chip cookies. Who doesn't love a good chocolate chip cookie, am I right? These cookies are crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, and loaded with chocolate chips. So, let's get started. Ingredients you'll need: 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, room temperature, 3/4 cup white sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and set aside. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, and mix well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing well after each addition. Fold in the chocolate chips. Scoop the cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches of space between each cookie. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and make sure to let me know in the comments below if you tried it out.